Thank you very much, Clara, for um, giving us the opportunity to present what we're doing here in Madrid in collaboration with the MIT, or this consortium that was created in 2010, was launched in 2010, and it's a partnership between the MIT and the Research Laboratory of Electronics and Comunidad de Madrid through Fundación Madrid Más D. And basically, it in ambition converges scientific knowledge and entrepreneurship, and we want to really make the future happen. I think that in biomedical innovation, we have a lot of scientific knowledge, but it's time to transfer that knowledge to the market so patients, citizens, take advantage of it. And in order to do that, you can see the huge number of high-level institutions, scientific institutions, hospitals, both in Madrid and in Boston, in addition to companies that are collaborating to make this consortium happen and be successful. We have a proprietary methodology called IdeaCube, where professionals collaborate and multidisciplinary experts and fellows who are selected on a yearly basis. Now we are selecting the 2013 cohort of fellows to identify urgent medical needs, because most of the times we have developed technology that does not relate to real needs. So this is something that is different from what is done elsewhere, and we're trying to face the challenges with a potential of a huge impact in clinical practice. So, for example, this is what Daryl Lim, one of our 2011 fellows, says. Really, these guys enjoy working in teams to identify unmet clinical needs, develop technology, and then transfer that technology to the real world. First, these fellows work here in Madrid for at least 3 months. They rotate in medical institutions and try to define a medical need that can be solved with technology. Then, with the inputs from experts both at the MIT and Harvard and Madrid, both universities and hospitals, they work to transform their idea into a solid project. This project has to land in Madrid, and the third component of this methodology is the acceleration of the transfer of how we first define the need, then use the technology, then we have to take it to the market, otherwise it won't be useful at all. And this is the last part of the IdeaCube methodology. In addition to that, we have another way to promote and to support innovation here in Madrid. This has created a tremendous, I would say, that bridge between Boston and Madrid, and we are benefiting from that. And for example, this is Nick Durr from Team I. They have developed this portable device, which is going to be tested in India to diagnose vision impairment, to solve a really huge problem. They don't have optometrists, so many optometrists in India. People cannot diagnose their diseases, although they have glasses, very cheap glasses. They can buy them on the internet, but they don't have optometrists to define what is wrong with their eyes, and this technology can solve it. Um, Another team, which has also won one of the IE Business School awards, it has developed technology that can find a cell, a single cell, in circulating blood. Um, and it can analyze up to 16 million cells per second, something that is far beyond any other technology already in use clinically. So they can find a needle in a haystack. And this is great, tremendous technology that can be very useful to detect circulating tumor cells, for example, in patients with cancer. This is the other program that we have started here in Madrid. Norberto Malpica is my co-chairman at Idea Square Madrid, trying to identify and to support emerging biomedical technology in Madrid locally, and then help them transform their ideas into products. So basically, the summary: Ambition Consortium has a focus. Is first, to define a problem. Second, combining a multidisciplinary expertise, both in Boston and Madrid, and then have an impact-oriented innovation. So what do we expect from the MIT Enterprise Forum in the collaboration with all of you? Is first, we need to cultivate a proper innovation ecosystem in Spain, and specifically in Madrid, connected to the world. That's something that we need to do if we want to transform our economic model. Then we need team collaborators, and we are open. You can ask Mario Moya, who's there, or Norberto Malpica, or myself, and become part of the consortium. These collaborators can evaluate proposals, review proposals, and be panelists. They can also get these fellows, when they come back to Madrid, to develop projects locally. They can do that. And finally, we need money, and we need people with the expertise to be able to make that acceleration happen. So thank you very much. You can contact us at jmayol at mit.edu, or Norberto Malpica, norberto.malpica at urgc.es, or Mario Moya, and Moya at mit.edu. Thank you very much.